Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I'm a huge fan of anything that makes my life easier, especially when it comes to cleaning or any other job I have around the house that is going to be labor intensive and not my first choice. So whether it's cleaning or misting my plants or whatever I need a spray bottle for, I'm really happy with this set of 4 from Liba. So they are effective, easy to fill, and they have 2 options, either a spray option or a stream. I also like the fact that they have an off side to the nozzle, so I can turn them off and I don't have to worry about spraying if I don't want to. It's a nice safety feature if that's something you're looking for. Now, the bottles are easy to see through, so I can see how much product I have, whether they're full all the way or I need to buy more. And I was able to mark the bottles so I know what I have in each one. Some of them have cleaner in them, some of them just have water for my plants. So whether I'm cleaning my bathroom, my kitchen, spraying the floors with my floor cleaner, or just misting my plants, these spray bottles have been effective and easy to use. So if you're looking for something to make cleaning easier, then I highly recommend this set of 4 spray bottles. They do exactly what you need them to do, and who doesn't want that? I'm a big fan of them. Easy to use, they've got 2 spray options, and they're easy to fill. So it's a win-win when it comes to spray bottles, and that is my point of view.